A few days ago, I received this comment that caught my attention. The investor says, Nimeona moto. I invested some amount on the 16th of March, I'm assuming it's 2026, on the Thamani Fund. The amount as today, that June 2026, is less than what I had invested. There is no day that the amount has gained any profit. I just can't wait for the 6 months period to lapse. Now, when I read this comment, I got two reactions in my mind. Number one is understanding that this investor is talking out of frustration because the investment is already making a loss. No one would want to make a loss, and no investor would like to see their portfolio at a negative position. But the second reaction was, this is one of the greatest lessons that anyone can learn about investing in shares or about investing in equity funds. Because when you invest in an equity fund, you are simply investing in shares. You are investing in the Nairobi Securities Exchange indirectly. Now, let me tell you that this investor might be right and wrong at the same time. Right, because the investment is already making a loss. They can already see a reducing value of whatever that they invested. But again, they can be wrong if they conclude a few weeks down the line after investing that this is a bad investment, because it's so wrong to judge an investment in shares or equity funds just a few weeks after investing. So today I want us to take this greatest lesson about investing in shares, and there is no better way of doing that other than diving deep into these funds. We get to analyze and get to see how does the performance of the fund behave, and how can you survive in investing in shares. How can you make profits in investing in shares or equity fund? I believe we are talking about the Arvocap Thamani Equity Fund, and I want us to review the returns of these funds since inception. This fund was incepted in June 2024, so they have been around for like some 23 months or thereabout. I want us to see the returns and we see the lessons that we can derive from these returns. Now, here is the graphical representation of the Arvocap Thamani Equity Fund since inception. That is June 2024 to April 2026. And I don't know what comes to your mind the first thing you see these graphs, but this is how a typical equity fund is likely to behave. Now, we don't expect an equity fund to be giving consistent returns every other day. So this is a very typical behavior of an equity fund. And if you are planning to invest in shares, this is the kind of returns that you should expect. Don't expect to get consistent returns every other day. Don't expect to get consistent return every other month. So this is what you should expect if at all you want to invest in shares. And some of the pickups that we can take is that there are months that they made good profits. A month they made 11.77%, which is quite a good profit. But again, we can see around some 5 months where they took home a loss. Yes, literally. The value of the portfolio depreciated, and that is actually what is happening right now, because the investor is talking about investing in March and getting to see some negative return. Now, if you can see clearly, the return for March 2026 was negative 2.94, and the return for April was positive 0.19. So it means for those 2 months, the average return is still at a negative position of 2.75%, and that is why this investor is frustrated. Now, this is how an investment in shares behaves. But what I want you to understand that when it comes to investing in shares, every investor tells a different story. Every investor gets a different experience based on the time that they entered the market. There is no day that everyone will be making losses in the Nairobi Securities Exchange, and there is no day everyone will be making profits in the Nairobi Securities Exchange, and that applies to the equity funds, because not everyone in the Thamani Equity Fund is making losses. The particular investor here is at a loss, at a negative position, simply because they bought the they bought the shares recently at the time when the market is not behaving so well. And I want to encourage the investor, even if they are seeing a negative position on their application or wherever they are checking the amount, they have not made the loss technically. That is just some paper laws. They will only make loss after easy 6 months zenye anagoja ziishe if they decide to exit while the portfolio is at a negative position. That is when they will make the actual loss. But right now, they have just made some paper laws. Now, how do you survive in the stock market? How do you survive in investing in shares? Now, there are some few figures down there that I want us to pay key attention to. Number one, what you get to realize that the total return, that is, if you add all these sums, it is coming to around 85.06%. So an investor who joined Arvocap at inception, right now they are at a profit of 85.06%. Now, their portfolio is at an upward of 85.06%. The same fund, two different investors, two different timings. Now, the other one, the best month is 11.77%. So if you joined that fund and they made the first profit of 11.77%, then the next month they make a loss. You might think that you have made the wrong decision, but remember, that is the nature of equity funds. Now, their worst month, there is a day that they lost 4.06% of their portfolio. Now, what that means is that if you had joined that equity fund that month that they made that loss, we assume that you invested the minimum amount, which is 100,000. Now, at the end of that month, your portfolio was reading 96,000. That is what it means, a negative 4%. Your portfolio was reading 94%, or the value of your portfolio was 94,000. That is a better way to express that. And that does not mean you have lost that money. That is a paper loss. But if you decide to chip out at that point, you will have lost that money. Now, the positive months that they the number of times that they have posted positive returns is 18 months. So it means that is out of 23. So it means they posted negative return at 18 for 5 months. Again, another interesting thing, the average monthly return. Now, if when all is settled and we get to do the maths, we get to do an average of how they have been performing since inception, you get to realize that they are at a positive position of 3.70%. So an investor who has been in this fund since inception, they have maintained a positive monthly return of 3.7%, which is actually a good performance. 3.70% per month. It's quite amazing, and we can all agree. Now, the only way to survive in the stock market is taking time in the market rather than timing the market. Now, get to differentiate the two. Don't struggle to time the market, but try and take time in the market. And the equity funds and the investments in stocks will never, or many at times, the stock market does not reward a short-term investor, because you can join the fund and they make a loss that month, and because you are a short-term investor, you decide to get out and you'll have to take the losses. But if you are patient enough, you'll be able to recover your position and get to the positive end of the returns. So the point is, don't get to the stock market while you are at a rush. Don't put money that you'll need soon in the stock market. And when I say the stock market, I'm talking about even the equity funds, because they are one and the same thing. So don't put money that you'll need soon. Don't put your emergency fund there. Don't get there for a short-term investment, because you might end up suffering at the end of the day. So the question that I would like you to ask yourself before you join an equity fund, it's not how they have performed for the last 2 months. But think of how they have performed for the last 3 months, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Because at the end of the day, investing in shares is the long-term investment.